Freshly cut sugarcane enters enormous industrial shredders. Heavy-duty rotating blades rapidly tear the material.
Gigantic crushing rollers apply tremendous hydraulic pressure to the shredded sugarcane, releasing rivers of rich golden-green sugarcane juice. The perfectly dried sugar crystals enter an advanced cooling tunnel, where powerful streams of purified, filtered air The approved premium white sugar flows through enclosed stainless steel pipelines into enormous food-grade storage silos, where advanced environmental control systems maintain.
We just finished stocking this section.
It looks beautiful. I'll take a couple bags.